data validation related robot commands in my personal ID. In this one, I want to add yes, no, data validation, open robot, yes, no, data validation to selected cell, and you can see all of these, and that's it. Next, short month name. So just open robot, short month name as data validation, run this, and you can see we have short month's name in data validation. If you want long, just use full month name as a data validation, and this will show you all the months name with the full abbreviation. Manual list, if you want to specify a manual list for the data validation, add manual list as a data validation. Let's say good, bad, better, and that's it. Numeric sequence, if you want to add a numeric sequence like ratings, add numeric sequence as a data validation. 1 start point, let's say 5, up to 5 star, increment is 1, and that's it. Character sequence, if you want to add a character sequence, add character sequence data validation. Start character is A, end character is E, increment is 1, and you can see we have A, B, C, D, E. If you have a name range like this one, this is the fruit list, so just copy that, come here where you want to add the data validation, open robot, add named range data validation, specify the name range name, and that's it. If you have a formula shell, you can see I do have a formula in this section which is basically filtered based on what we have in this section. So if I change this, the filtered exporters country will change. So I want that filtered list in this shell. So just run add validation from formula shell, and it will ask you to specify the name range name. So let's say I want this to be valid country list, and then select where we have this particular formula, that is this L5, press OK, and that's it. Let me change this to orange, and let's see. From table, so you have a table and you want to add one column of this table as a data validation list. If it is a single column table, it will not ask you for the column name, but if it is a multi-column table, then it will ask for the column name. So add data validation from table. So what is the table name? So that is chat models table, and I need to select the column name, so chat models, and that's it. You can see this one, and this is the table name, chat models table. In this data validation, I already have a data validation. I want to modify input message or error message, so I can just open the data validation dialog. So open data validation dialog, it will open this dialog. Now I can change input message or error alert. Now if you have a data validation and you want to remove that, so just remove data validation from the selection, and it will remove the data validation.